schools are not going to open from 21st September for the classes 9th to 12th, and the syllabus is going to be reduced 70%. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Today in this video we are going to discuss about these two breaking news. So actually these are very difficult times. Every day new news are coming, new information is being provided, and as a result all the students and parents and even the teachers are also confused. What is this going on? Means few days back there was a news that the schools are opening from 9th to 12th classes, but now I have to make a clarification regarding that, so watch the video till last. So now you can see that students are getting very confused due to this corona condition. They don't find any solution to this. So here I want to say only one thing, that whatever is in front of you, just go on that way, and rest of the way will be clear to you later on. So the mantra is go with the flow. Means don't get confused, just focus on your studies because your exams will definitely be conducted. Don't think that your exams will not be conducted and this and that. So now we come to the main point, that earlier it was declared that the schools are going to open for classes 9 to 12 from 21st September, and keeping that thing in mind, all the state governments had also started making arrangements according to the guidelines of the central government. Means 6 conditions were imposed upon the schools by the central government, and all the schools started preparing for that. But now central government has made it very much clear that they have not allowed complete reopening of the schools. Means still they are stuck at the point that they have only allowed the students of classes 9 to 12 to go to their schools for clearing their doubts, and that too in the number of 4 to 5 students in a class. So this thing is very much clear that in earlier in the states like UP and Rajasthan, they were planning to open them completely from 21st September, but now they have also refused it. Means they have taken the decision that they are not going to open their schools completely from 21st September, and they will go with the guidelines of the central government. So now this confusion has been cleared finally. So next thing is that we have to talk about the syllabus. So here you can say that still this confusion is going on, whether the exams will be conducted, what will be the decision related to the syllabus. Already 30% syllabus has been reduced, but some states are some people are wishing that the syllabus should be reduced to 70%. So now the government has made it clear that it is too early to take a decision on this thing also, because this decision will be taken on the basis of working days, and whether this year will be declared zero session or not. But if I have to provide my personal opinion, I don't think that this year will be considered a zero year. And if there is any such thing, at least for classes 10th and 12th, board exams will definitely be conducted. So all the classes, senior classes students, they should not take it leisurely, they should not waste their time. You all should just focus on your studies, and you should just follow the instructions of your teachers, do all the assignments, complete your work in time. Otherwise later on you may have to regret. So thank you everybody. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe to the channel also. And if you found this video to be useful, you like it also and share it with others also. Thank you.